Tomatoes, garlic, and cucumbers will thrive with this powerful natural fertilizer. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 liter of warm water. Instructions: dissolve the sugar in warm water. Add the yeast and mix well. Let the mixture sit at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours, stirring occasionally until it becomes bubbly and starts fermenting. Application: dilute the fermented yeast solution with water at a 1:10 ratio, 1 part yeast solution to 10 parts water. Water your plants at the base, focusing on the root zone. Apply once every 2 weeks throughout the growing season for optimal results. By using yeast water in your gardening routine, you can naturally enhance the growth of garlic, tomatoes, cucumbers, and other plants, ensuring strong, healthy development. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.